Good morning, Sailesh. Good morning. Wishing for a profitable day. Kumar, good morning, sir. Up or down, where Bank Nifty will go. Shri, good morning. Sridhar Singh, good morning, bro. My positions are inverted now. 16,200 CE sold and 16,000 PE sold. Prem Kumar, good morning. Good morning, all. Let me, yes. We are gapping down, but we are not gapping down much. So this is manageable, right? Not an issue. Sai Prem, good morning, bro. How are you? Login பண்ணுங்க அந்த அக்கௌண்ட் 2 3 சீக்கிரம் பண்ணுங்க மார்க்கெட் ஓபன் ஆகும். Sai Verma, good morning. Satish Kumar, good morning. Everyone, good morning. So I expected markets to be what is that? We were expecting market to gap up tomorrow. That's why we went long position. And market is likely gapping down. US futures are also in the green, slightly in the green. But these people are, I don't know. Anyway, I think for now it is going to be sideways today because if you see, there is huge open interest writing between below 16,000. Even 16,000 people are writing, right? 16,200, 16,100, 16,000. But on the On the higher side, if you can see, we are just viewing it at around 16,500. Wow. And Bank Nifty, just another 3 more minutes. We'll wait and see. 35,500 in Bank Nifty. This market is insane, brothers and sisters. It's very, very hard to trade in this market. நேத்தாவது இப்போ ஆர்டர் பிளேஸ் பண்ண முடியல அதில். எப்படிதான் வேலை பார்க்குறாங்கன்னே தெரியல. அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு நிஜம்லே ஏதோ தெரியுமா இல்லை சும்மா உட்காந்துருக்கா என்னன்னு தெரியல. போட்டு கிளி கிளின்னு கிளிக்கிறானா இல்லையான்னு பாருங்க. போட்டு நாஸ்தி பண்றான் பாருங்க. நைட்டு ஃபுல்லா தூக்கமே வரல, இதே ஞாபகமாவே இருந்துச்சு. Anurag saying, good morning, bro. How are you? Satish Kumar, good morning, bro. Everyone, good morning. I hope you had a good night's sleep, and today also markets are likely to be choppy and sideways. Even today, you can do some short straddle or short strangle, right? And one more thing I want to tell you is that we did some trades, no? So if, we did some, for the sake of YouTube, we did some trades, and let us see how the trade is performing. See, this is the trade which we took last weekend, and this is how the trade is looking like. Hmm. Trades of Vinayak. Good morning, bro. I think most of you are in our this thing Telegram group, right? If no, you can join. If you are not in our Telegram group, you can join our Telegram group. I will leave the link in the description below, or I will pin it here itself. Uh, oh my God, மாமா பாருங்க என்னாச்சுன்னு பாருங்க, பொசிஷன் என்னாச்சு. Okay, market has gap down. It opened at exactly at I think, yeah, 16,195, and it's going first candle itself. We are seeing 16,225. This is absolutely great news, and let's check the US markets also. Even though this is the problem with the US market. See, yesterday when our markets closed, US future was up by 200, 250 points. Then when I went to sleep, it was down by around 200 points. Now it's up by marginally up by maybe 100, 150 points. Sorry, 30 or 40 points. Ah, very tough market. but I'm still holding my position. I'm not going to do anything. Still, our positions are slightly negative, but we are not going to do anything at all, right? Wow, our mentees are in good profit. Almost they are in a profit of around 1%. What a miracle! Only we are in an issue. That issue also we will rectify. We have only problems here. We will manage the problems. No, enough status. Over account what is happening? So how is your position looking? Is everyone in profit? Is this gap down creating problem? Update கூட ஆக மாட்டேது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் போனும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க ஒரு எல்லவும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க என்ன எதுனாவது சொல்லுமா இல்லையா very hard markets. And what is happening to Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is also going on the upside. And which one is supporting? Oh my God, Bank Nifty, everything is in the red. Not a single stock in Bank Nifty is in the green. And Nifty, let me check. Nifty is also almost flat. Wow. Just a small push. Sailesh is saying I am in profit taken weekly position. Wow. Good Sailesh. I am happy that you are in profit. இதை கூட ஸ்கொயர் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடலாம் இது ரெண்டு என்ன ஸ்டேட்டஸ் இது ரெண்டு இருங்க சொல்றேன். அது வேற மாதிரி பண்ணணும். கொடுத்ததெல்லாம் கொடுத்த. So what do you think markets are going to do? Is the market going to go upside? It is going on the upside, right? It is almost just 40 points away from yesterday's close. Yesterday was a pretty good day for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today, because of this global cues, we are gapping down. If we had really positive global cues, then the market might would have gone on the upside. So anyway, not a bad thing to happen. It's okay. When you consider previous things, what happened previously, this is far more better. We used to see 300, 400 points gap up, gap down. Now we are not looking at seeing at all these all those kind of hangamas. So it is still okay now. And people are writing 16,200 straddles. And even now, put open interest is high when you compare with call open interest. So okay, this market is not this market is manageable, not a issue, right? Even not only we, even our mentees are in good profit. So this is a very really manageable market. Wow. Kalayaras and good morning, bro. How are you? Nishant is Reliance is supporting Nifty. Maybe, bro. Yes. Wow. Reliance is just up by 0.32%. What is really keeping up a Nifty is ONGC, Tata Steel, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Ultratech. Reliance is marginally in the green. ಸಾವು ಗಿರಾಕಿ ನೀರ ಬಾಯಿ ತೊಳೆಯಲಿ. Won't- Wow. Good morning, Hitesh. Good morning, sir. Have 16,200 P, 16,400 C will look great opportunity or will carry forward next day. I'm sure Hitesh should be in good profit now. You don't have to do anything. You just hold it tight. I'm sure you will be in good profit only. Tomorrow you will, now itself you will be in good profit. Tomorrow you will be in better profit. Most of them will be in profit only. Most of the traders will be in profit because yesterday's this 150 points gap up and all is manageable. That's what I told in yesterday's video. What is not manageable is if the market moves more than, say, for example, see, if the market is gapping down, if this gap is, and one more thing you have to remember is this gap up is sustaining. No, yesterday's gap up, day before yesterday, Friday's close was around 16,053. Today's low is around 16,150. Today's open was around 16,186. So it has almost gained momentum, right? We are just maybe how much? 20 points away from yesterday's close. See here? So this is a good thing to happen. Wow. And look at Bank Nifty. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty has retraced. ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். Wow, wow, wow. Excellent, excellent, excellent day, people. What an excellent day. Nifty is also, it is having a small retracement around 16,000 yesterday's close. So we are just 20 points away. Thanks to NGC, Tata Steel, Mahindra and Mahindra. Wow. Excellent, excellent recovery. Simple. Ending la. Update பண்ணுங்க system. Wow, wow, wow. Hitesh, currently 300 lost due to premium cost. That is okay, bro. Correct தானே பண்ணிருக்கேன். 300 loss is not a big deal. 417 நான் update பண்றேன். கேட்டீங்களா? Wow, wow. Excellent, excellent day, my friends. We are in an excellent day. That's what I can say. This is 100% manageable. Wow. One, the only thing the only thing we need now is support from US markets, which is not happening. Hmm. And Euro future is also in the, what is that? In the red only. It is not in the red, it is flat. Open interest wise also, I'm seeing now 16,300 is being written aggressively. 16,300 call option. Wow. You? So I'll just ask some really simple question. You just let me know if you can, if you are able to. Raj Patel is asking, should I hold my call? Now, I'll just ask you people, what is your expectation like? I'll just go to the, what is that? Yeah, 16,200 short straddle and 16,300. So this is the chart of Nifty. Now, you tell me whether markets are going to break or go below 16,150. That is today's low. Sorry, yesterday's open, right? Okay. Now, if you anticipate if the market goes below today's low, then are you going to go in short? Simple thing. I'll just tell it simple words. US markets are really flat. In fact, it is really flat. Europe is also flat, and we are just market is just trying to hold above 16,200, where we are seeing highest put options writing. All you have to do is whether the market is going to go below 16,150, which is yesterday's close. If it goes below yesterday's close, then we might short some call options, or we might do some adjustment to our trades. And when it comes to Bank Nifty also same thing is happening. If yesterday's low, that is, but Bank Nifty, the thing with Bank Nifty is it rallied good enough. From around 34,800, it went all the way to 35,400. Around 600 points move in Bank Nifty. Okay. What is supporting today also? I'm sure today also markets are likely to be sideways only. All stocks in Bank Nifty is marginally in the red. So it's almost flat, apart from Federal Bank and Bandhan Bank. Nifty within CPR range may consolidate for some time. Yes, that's what I'm also thinking. Let it consolidate. Consolidation is what we need. That is how option seller makes money. Consolidation. I know, my friends, in 2015 and all, I used to do a short straddle in Bank Nifty and a short strangle in Bank Nifty. 90% of the time, it will be in profit only, and I will not require any adjustment at all. I am talking about 2015, 2016, 2017 and all. And in 2017, I can remember I made a ROI of more than I think 60%. So that time it was really markets were really good. Now it is altogether a different ball game, right? Now even one day I can remember Nifty not even moving 300 or 400 points in one week or even 1 month. India VIX was really really low. Yeah, I have seen India VIX at 7, 8 and all. Now you see India VIX. India VIX has it is like maybe around how much? We have seen 30s, we have seen 80s also. We have seen India VIX going to 80 when Corona issue was there, right? At that time, market was making two-way, three-way move. Wow. Hmm. Tulasi Krishnan, today's initial green candle were because of short covering done by yesterday's trapped short sellers. So market will consolidate for some time before it is moving up or down. Wow, very very good message. People are telling to me. Yeah. Both Innovagen Solutions and Tulasi Krishnan. All I want is consolidation, right? Then only I will make money. My followers will make money. Everyone will make money. We just need consolidation. That is what we want. Wow. Wow, Nifty is moving on the upper side. Great, great. Till expiry, no, till expiry, if the market is range bound like this, we'll end up making good profit. But this is like it will be unfortunate. Market is not going to be sideways. I'm sure. என்ன நம்ம நம்பரை பிளாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்களா? எவனுக்கு ஃபோன் அடிச்சாலும் பிஸி பிஸின்னு இருக்கு. சாவுங்கடா. See, markets are moving on the higher side. Wow, excellent. என்ன ஸ்டேட்டஸ்? Wow. Nishant is asking, hi Umar, when is next trade in your mentorship program? Cause I'm planning to join. Next trade is we will take on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Bro, is there any chance to meet you? Sorry. Yeah, you can meet me. What is the issue? I'm not a celebrity. I'm a simple person. You come to Trichy and call me. I am from Trichy only. Both, both, both Nifty and Bank Nifty is moving. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty is moving on the higher side. I think Nifty will take out this 16,200 levels today, right? 16,000 it will close. If it goes above 16,281, then it is best. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is also pushing on the upside. Mm. US market has recovered slightly. Still it is flat only. So we'll see. Go, 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 go. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. 35,000 Bank Nifty 35,000 what is that? 35,400 short straddle if you take today. I think yeah. Uh, your 35,400 short straddle if you take today, you will get a premium of around 500 rupees. 35,400 call option is trading at 202,205 rupees, and 35,400 put is trading at around 280 rupees, this range. So if you do a short straddle, I'm sure you will make money, right? By the way, this thing, our this thing is having some algo is having still it is in backtesting phase only. So hopefully from next week we'll go live in our this thing also. What is that algo? Nifty is also on the verge of touching 277. This is what I want. Hello. ஜி அது என்னாச்சு ஜி ஏதாவது ஸ்டேட்டஸ் ஆக சொல்லுங்க. இல்ல பேஸ்கெட் ஆர்டர் இப்போ ஆர்டரே பிளேஸ் பண்ண முடியலையே. நீ நார்மல் ஆர்டரே போட முடியல. ஆ நான் எதுக்கு நான் வேணா ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டேன் பாருங்க. நார்மல் ஆர்டரே நாம போட முடியல. இருக்கிற ஆர்டர் ஸ்கொயர் ஆஃப் தான் பண்ண முடியுது. F1 வந்துன்னா இதே பாப்பே ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. நான் எதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு இவ்வளோ வாட்டி ஃபோன் பண்ணுறோம்? ஒன்றுமே பண்ண முடியல. அவங்கள்ட்ட ஃபோன் பண்ண கேட்குறேன். நான் இப்போ இங்கிலீஷ்ல எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கும் தனித்தனியாக உட்காந்து கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். தனித்தனியாக அதான் டீலர் டெர்மினல் இல்லாம ஆமா அது 417ல பண்ண முடியும். ஆமா ஆர்டர் பிளேஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஒண்ணுமே போக மாட்டேங்குது. Wow. Uh, Dear friends, really, this is a really good market recovering. No, I'm really, really, it is beneficial. Now, I think markets are likely to close below 16,000 to 16,500, and that is where my range is. So, we have a range of between 16,000 to 16,500. Mm, and hopefully, as I told you, if the market closes in this range, I can we can make a good profit. And I will also suggest if you want, you can do a short strangle 16,000 to 16,500. It will you will end up making good money. India which is marginally up, it's up by 1.7%. But it is, I'm sure, at least for this till coming expiry, it is going to move in sideways direction. Wow. So how many of you have taken a short straddle or short strangle? Actually, yesterday in our group, one person was saying he's going to take a calendar spread. So I told him not to take calendar spread because what is going to happen is India VIX was dropping, and I was skeptical. Like if we take a calendar spread, there might be chances that due to India VIX going down, this his trade will not end up in good profit. But now it is good, and I am sure this India VIX is not going to come down anytime soon. It is going to fluctuate, go up or down, something like that, right? So let's see. Wow, we are going past 16,285. Very, very great. So, how many of you attended this thing? How many of you attended this? What is that? This webinar from Quantman. We did a webinar in Quantman. No, if you had attended that webinar, he clearly told how to do what this adjustment using standard deviation, one standard deviation and two standard deviation. I'll also play that video if you see if you can understand. Like, yeah.
Don't know about the coding stuff because normally we are in the technology, we are living in the technological world, so technology eats everything.
Hello. நான் வந்து பேஸ்கெட் ஆர்டர் தான் ஜி போடுவேன் எல்லா அக்கௌண்ட்டும் சேர்த்து சரி எப்ப நார்மல் ஆர்டர் எப்போ நீங்க ஆர்டர் ட்ரேட்ஸ் போயிட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த பல்க் ஆர்டர் நீங்க ஆர்டர் இப்போ அதுதான் இன்னைக்கு காட்ட மாட்டேங்குது. பிளஸ் வந்து எப்பவுமே என்னால இது பண்ண முடியும். நான் வேணா ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து அனுப்பிடுறேன். எப்போ அதுதான் பை ஆர்டர் செல் ஆர்டர் வரும்ல, அதுவே வர மாட்டேங்குது. சரி. அதை எடுத்து அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க அவங்களுக்கு. ஆ? ஆ.
Don't know about the coding stuff because normally we are in the technology, we are living in the technological world, so technology eats everything. Maybe you are a best driver, but you have to drive cars in Uber or Ola. So in next 5 years, no one is going to place the trade manually. 80% of the trades, 80% of the people are not going to trade the do the trading in manually. But institutional traders already have been shifting from the manual to the automate. So we want to
Yeah, it's
democratize.
Mr.
Yes.
Pandirajan, it's echoing. It's
Okay,
echoing.
okay,
Can you
okay,
just
okay, okay.
avoid?
Please, please, please. Hello, sir. Right now, can you hear me properly, sir?
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Okay. Sorry for that. So we wanted to give the technological edge to the normal people like me, because fortunately I'm having a lot of coding friends because I studied in good college in Coimbatore. So if I have any idea, I just tell to my friends, "Machi, can you backtest it for me?" They will do for. They have done for me. But not all the traders are having such kind of friends. So we are starting it. So give me 2 minutes. I will check with my stuff and come back.
Hello.
Yeah, then just give. He's just waiting for his staff to come because we have to record this session.
Okay, my
Oh,
staff has
okay.
been started for recording. So I will share the screen and go to the presentation straightly.
Yeah, yeah. We'll start the presentation now.
Okay. Sorry for the delay. So, okay. Okay. So only 15 members are there because a lot of members have been buying. Today is Sunday. They are busy. So how many of you agree with this statement? Who is the greatest fund manager in the history? I saw the photograph of Mr. Warren Buffett. How many of you agree on that? Because everyone is knowing about the Warren Buffett, right?
Yes.
How many of you agreeing on that? Agree. Okay. So everyone is agreeing. A lot of members are agreeing. Okay. But we are the one person, Mr. Manoj Kumar says, won't great. Because Warren Buffett is a great marketing guy because his return is around only 22%. I will show you the one more fund manager. His name is Jim Simons. Okay. He is
Hmm.
the very quantitative trader. So this is the returns from the Jim Simons. He averaged 66% got return. Warren Buffett return is something like 23% only. What Jim Simons is doing is he is doing systematic trade. I will explain in a minute what is systematic trading, how do we do that, all these things. Okay. Now, as a traders, everyone knows that everyone knows about the strategy part because everyone is knowing the RSI, super trend. It is everything is working. Then why don't we get the profits? Zero, the Nitin Kamath said on the interview, 99% of the traders lose money in the next 3 years. Only 1% of the active traders are being able to generate more return than the fixed deposit returns. So only 1% of the people are winning. 99% of the people are losing because we are living in the internet age, so everyone has got the lot of informations, but still only 1% of the traders are making money because they are not knowing the strategy because they don't have the emotional capital. How many of you agree after the market's completely over after 3:30, if you go and review the charts, you will able to make clearly entry and exit point, but you cannot be done while the market is running? How many of you agree on this statement? Yes. Vivekanandan's yes. Yes. Indicators are lagging, right? I accept. Yes. Because it takes a lot of time to know about the execution part, because we are all hailing about the Dhoni, because MS Dhoni is the greatest captain we are having. Yes, Mr. Rajaraj. Because his emotional quotient is somewhat phenomenal. Virat Kohli could not do that. He is taking the matches until the last over. How many of the players can be done? Even Sachin Tendulkar could not do that. That is why he was resigning his captaincy. So three capitals are more important in trading. One is financial capital. Without financial capital, we cannot speculate or trade. Another one is knowledge capital, because now due to the explosion of informations, everyone is knowing about the how can we do the trading stuff, something like that. But no one is going to teach the emotional capital. That is the part algorithmic trading comes. So algorithmic trading is a simple trading kind of a concept, like a normal trading, but people are exaggerate. That is the problem. So I will explain in a minute what is the algorithmic trading, something like that. Okay. Um okay. As a traders, we are having only price data only. We are having only price data. Okay. So we have to torture this price data, then only we will get some kind of a output. Even say, for example, super trend. This is the chart. Okay. This is the VWAP previous day high. Suppose if we add super trend, everything is being derived from the price itself. So some person said very clearly, all indicators are lagging. Yes, but 90% of the indicators are working very, very fine. Very, very fine. The problem is we cannot follow the indicators regularly. That is the problem we are having. That is why algorithmic trading comes into the play. You just put the strategy for back testing, and if you like the strategy results, you take into the live. So we solve the problems. You no need to know the coding if you use Quantman for algorithmic trading. Okay. Then I will come to the point. So how many of you agree, if we consistently follow one strategy in the long term, we will get the money? How many of you agree? Yes. 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 Great. Almost. I got only one person not agree, Mr. Rajarajan. I will come to that. I will come to that. So 80% of the traders are agreeing. 2%. Can I know that why don't you agree, Mr. Vivekanandan and Rajarajan? Okay. I'm going to backtest some kind of a skip strategy frequently. Yeah, great. Situation changes. Yeah, I accept situation changes, but every trader will face the drawdown period, right? We cannot make money every month. That is the problem. If we can make money every day, then the return should be lower. Because why do we traders get paid? Because we are taking the risk. Okay, that is why we are getting paid. So we could not expect that every month or every day we will get the profit. Okay, options buying and option selling, because everyone diversification. Yeah, I will come into the later part. Okay, I will because Optionsence is a Optionsence YouTube channel based on the options traders. So I assume you are all options traders, right? So options sellers in one camp, options buyers in one camp. Okay. So how many of you do you agree making money through options buying or options selling? So I'm going to take one kind of a strategy, maybe options buying or options selling based on the vote we will get. Okay. Can you vote me? So do you want to share options buying, options selling, or with options selling with adjustments? What kind of strategies we are going to take? Because whatever the crowd suggests, I will do. Selling with adjustments,
Option
sure.
buying.
Okay, one vote for options buying, selling adjustments, buying for hedging. Okay, selling. So more vote to be voted for selling, right? So I am going with the crowd because as a traders, we cannot do trading against the trend. So I am going with the flow, strategy based selling. Okay, sure. I will do in selling. Okay. So I am going to start with the very good strategy, very commonly used strategy. Okay. Before that, I will explain the basic stuff in the algorithmic trading. Okay. Data, volume, open interest. Okay. So with the help of three data only, we are going to make the decisions. Okay, how do we make decisions before going into trading? We are taking decisions every day, right? What food should we eat? Which place do we go to the holidays? Every day we are taking decisions, but the problem is 90% of the decisions to be made from the gut or in our heart itself, because two types of decisions to be made, one from the heart, one from the mind. So in trading, the problem is all the strategies are being derived from the mind. But if we do in front of the system, then our heart will place the role. Say for example, we are in the loss. Why don't we? Our mind will trick us. Why don't we put 10 or 20 lots instead of doing one lot? We have been doing. So these kinds of the trick mind will play. So for avoiding that, we are going with the algorithmic trading. So we are having price, volume, and open interest. So somewhat, if we give these data as input, then we will get output. Output means buy or sell. Simple. So I'm going to do the strategy because 920 short straddle, everyone is knowing about the 920 short straddle. I am going to choose the same strategy. Why? Because in 2022 it has not been working. So I am going to take the strategy. Okay, why don't we do some kind of adjustments and we will become profitable in 920 straddle? I will show you the way. Okay, so this is the convent platform. Okay, I will show it. I will okay, go to login page. We are integrated with a lot of brokers, so I am normally I'm having an account with a lot of brokers, but I use it to do trading in angel broking. I will. Okay. Just log in with your credentials, because I am having credentials with my angel broking, so I just log in. Okay, I wrongly typed the password. Okay.
So guys, I think 16,000. It's going about 16,000. 16,200 levels, right? 16,300. It is inching up towards 16,300. And let us see if 16,300 is being taken out. All this is happening in spite of US futures in the red, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? By the way, I will play that one later also. Not an issue. Bank Nifty. Who is supporting the move in Bank Nifty? Is it HDFC Bank is marginally in the green. Punjab National, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda is supporting the move. And what about Nifty? Nifty still going past 16,000, not going past 16,200. It's just above 16,200 levels, right? Narayan, Narayani. Yeah, I'll do that, Narayani. Just give me some time. We'll sort that out later. But for now, we'll look at the markets. Hello? Yeah, 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 GST, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Documents, everything is with Sejal. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Okay, madam. Thank you, thank you. Your good name? Thank you, Rishi. Thanks. Now I will now I will tell you what is going to happen. There will be rejection around 16,300 levels or today's high, which is around 16,280 levels. Obviously, because you can see from the open interest itself, there is huge calls being written at 16,300. Let us see if these people are winning. And at the same time, people are also writing 16,200 call option, put option, 16,300 and 16,200. And we'll also see what is like FIA data. If you see the FIA data, yesterday was a very, very interesting day. FIAs were net buyers yesterday. So if you see here, yesterday, DAIs and FIAs both were buyers. So they have bought for around FIIs have bought for around 156 crores, and DIIs have also bought for around 844 crores. Usually, what these FIIs do is that they sell a lot, right? But this month they have bought. Hmm. This month alone, June, we are on 19th June. There is another 10 or 15 trading session, not 10 or 15 trading session. Maybe 6 to 7 trading session is there, still there, and they have sold for around 58,000 crores. So this is something which is kind of panicking, right? Hmm. Still, the best part about Sensible is that they give you more insight. See, calls actually FIs are long in calls 72,000. If you see here 72,699, and if you see here puts also long, they are not long in puts, but they are hugely short in puts. I think short OI is they have shorted the puts and they are long in the calls, which means the markets are likely to go on the upper side only, right? So this is something you have to monitor. Short OI also heavy. They have shorted the puts heavily, and long also they are gone long in this thing calls. So, which means clearly means that markets are likely to go on the upside, and that is what is happening. We are seeing, even though we gap down at 16,188, we are going towards 16,299. We are just seeing some price action around yesterday's closing, 16,280 levels. Let's see if we are crossing this line. And what is the story about Bank Nifty? Nifty is also same thing. It's gone past yesterday's high. Yesterday's close, sorry, yeah. Yesterday's close and yesterday's high both are same in Bank Nifty, right? And the move is contributed by Bank of Baroda, AU Small Finance, AU and all. I think everything is flat. HDFC Bank is also really flat. Bandhan Bank, only out of all the stocks in Bank Nifty, only three or not, four are not performing, which is IDFC, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Bandhan Bank. Apart from that, all the stocks in Bank Nifty is performing, right? Performing in the sense it is flat, almost flat. Wow. ONGC, Tata Steel is star performer today is Tata Steel up by 1.64%. And star loser is today Nestle India, down by 1.1%. Wow. Gokul Krishnan, hi Umar, hi Gokul, how are you? How is your positions doing? Are you in? I'm sure you should be in profit. Now, as I told you, it is rejecting around yesterday's close and yesterday's high. Both are same in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Wow. I think today also both short straddles and short strangles are going to make good profit, right? So that is what is happening. Wow. Santosh Kumar, good morning, bro. How are you? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ basket order place பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Create basket. என்னோட இது என்னோட தரேன் ஒரு நிமிஷம். Good, good, great that Santosh is awesome. Many people will be awesome only because this kind of market is good for making money. Wow. Hi Umar bro, do you like this trading job 9 to 5 normal job? Do you recommend your belows to be in this field? Yeah, you can do trading is okay, but it is very tough. Like in the starting and all, I lost huge money. Even now, last May month we lost huge money, but it is okay. Markets are, it's not going to be very easy, right? It is going to be tough. So it's okay. I'm used to it. Not only trading, we have some other setup also. We have some other setup also. So not a issue. So far, so good. Going. And we'll manage. We'll manage. We'll try to manage. And there are some upcoming events also. So if you see here, Polycab, Polycab will come out with the results today. ICICI, HDFC Life will come out with the results. Ambuja Cement will come out with the result. AU Bank, Hindustan Unilever, L&D Financial Holding, IndusInd Bank is going to come out with the results tomorrow. So maybe that is why IndusInd Bank is moving on the upside. So if you see here, the stock which is performing in Bank Nifty is IndusInd Bank. Uh, where is that? Okay, not today. Yesterday it was performing. So yesterday, if you see, IndusInd Bank was up by more than 25 rupees. Maybe there is some positive news in IndusInd Bank. That could be the reason why IndusInd Bank is moving, right? 6 months bank statement. And what else we have? And if you see global events, 27th July, federal interest rate decision USA expected is 2.25. So this is very important. This both 27th July and 28th July. 28th July, Jerome Powell will come out. That is very, very important. And I'll show you one more website also. What is going to be the interest rate hike? Yes. This one, Fed press conference. So if you see here, Fed policymakers continue to anticipate that the ongoing increase in Fed funds rate would be appropriate and backed at a 50 or 75 basis points hike in July. FOMC meeting from June meeting showed officials. So this is going to be a very important key thing. If now we are sitting at 1.75, if they increase it by 100 basis points, it is going to go on the upper side, maybe touch go about 2.5%. Now let's say they are increasing it by 150 basis points means we will be sitting at 2.25. Or if they increase it just by 25 basis point means we are going to sit at 2%. So this is how things are going. And if you are, I have told in my previous videos also, markets are likely to be in consolidation till we are getting this US inflation data. Yeah, Prem is asking, bro, market going up, VIX is also increasing. Is there any indication of going down? Maybe we'll see. We'll have to wait and see. That's what I told in yesterday's video. Things are skeptical because these FIA buggers are selling, See, these people are buying, and they when they buy, they will make sure sell when it comes to selling, they will sell very hard. So we'll wait and see. Now, whatever happens, I am sure that this this 16,300 is not likely to be taken out. Looking at the open interest, that's what I feel. But markets are going on the upside. It wants to go above 16,300. We'll wait and see. Anyway, we will manage this one. If we are not able to manage even the small things, then what is the use of being in the market? Santosh Kumar is saying FIs are pumping money to auto sector bro. Morning candle in that stocks are all elephant bar. அது அனுப்ப மாட்டாமா டவுன்லோட் பண்ணணும். Huh? மெயில் ஐடி போடுங்க வருதான்னு பார்ப்போம். போட்டிங்களா? Trade of Vinayak is asking, as of now, how is your trade? Yeah, trades are okay. We did some minor adjustment. If the market expiry, if it closes, expiry closes between what is that 16,500 to 16,000, then we'll be in good profit. That's what we have done now. So we'll wait and see. அதுல எடுக்க முடியுமே எடுக்க முடிய மாட்டேதா பிரிண்ட் அவுட் எடுங்க இல்லாட்டி சேவ் பண்ணு அதுல இதெல்லாம் அஹ், இது save பண்ணு. இதோ வரேன். These buggers want to go on the upside only. ரோஹித் வணக்கம் ப்ரோ. ஒன் டவுட் விக்ஸ் பிலோ 10 போனா என்ன ஆகும்? ஒண்ணுமே ஆகாது. Like Rohit is asking, what will happen if India VIX goes below 10? If India VIX is going below 10, option sellers will end up making good money because nothing will happen, nothing will move. Even you do a short straddle, you do a short strangle, 100%, 95% of the time it will make money. This market is very, very strong. I think bulls are very super strong now. When was the time that you had a huge drawdown, brother, and how you overcome with it, excluding May 20? I had a big drawdown in March 2020. I lost around 7 or 8 lakhs in March 2020. But it's okay that losses are inevitable. But in the long run, you will be in profit only. We recover those losses, I think, in just 6 or 7 months. So at that time, capital was also not very huge, and these people was also out with this in between span margin, that margin, this margin, all kind of bullshit was brought in by SEBI, no? So that time I lost huge, but it is recovered. Whatever is lost is recovered. Even in May month, whatever we lost, we will recover. We just need some time. That's it. That's why I always say that option sellers eat like hen and shit like elephant. When there is profit, profit will be very, very low. And if there is any losses, losses will be very huge. That is the problem of option seller. Bank Nifty, both the Bank Nifty. I think second part of today's trading session, we will see both the Nifty and Bank Nifty coming down. Looking at this US thing and all, I don't think markets are likely to go on the upside. Even open interest chart 16,300. Today morning, people are aggressively writing 16,300. So I think we might see downside on second half of today's trading session. So let us see. Let us see. If you want to take a contra view, all you can do is go and sell a 16,500 call option. Yeah, 16,500 call option. Let me show you like this. Yes. If you see 16,500 call option, which is trading at around 20 rupees. This one, which is trading at around 20 rupees. This is 16,500 call option trading at around 20 rupees. Now, if you sell this one, you will make money, right? Hmm. Uh, hmm. Even if you sell it for 20 rupees, you will make a decent profit, right? But that's a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, as usual. I am long in, Santosh Kumar is saying I am long in Vedanta at 238. Subin Sethu Raman, Tala Vanakam. How do you check what is FI's position like? They are 80% short or long in options and futures. Yeah, that is good question, Zubin. I will post a separate video on that. That is very big subject, and there is lot of this thing required in that one analysis. I'll post a separate video on that. Not a issue. Just give me some time. Santosh Kumar, I'm 100% sure you saw some influencers video and you got this question. I know what Santosh Kumar Santosh Kumar who Santosh Kumar is talking about, right? Our uncle is sarcastic. He is a show off by. His uncle is only show off. He will buy penthouse, loan, everything to finance the penthouse and do everything. He will take heavy loans. Then he will take sponsor. He will come out with videos of unregulated peoples. He will promote all kind of what is that? All kind of these things, cryptocurrency. Then he will be very arrogant. He will tell who told you to invest in this thing. I told clearly you have to invest only 5 to 10% in this one. Every all kind of nonsense he will come and tell. I'll tell you, I don't, I'm not against uncle, but you should not suggest any these things to people, no normal retail people. If you know, like, if you are 100% sure, actually, I put a special video on how these cryptocurrencies are going to affect you. How this currency is very, very bad. It is not regulated by SEBI. It is not regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Nobody can. I can make Umar coin. I can make any other coin. Whatever coin I want to do, everything can be done. Everything can be done. So I am against cryptocurrency. I will play that video also. It is a very interesting video. By the by the way, Nifty and Bank Nifty is shooting up. Wow, wow. I think 16,000. It is even moving past 16,300. Nifty will go 16,200 after Europe market open. Hitesh is saying. Yes, I am also expecting market to go to 16,200, but these buggers are taking it towards 16,000, where it is going past 16,300. And what about Nifty Bank? Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank is also on the upside. Maybe tomorrow it is. The best part about Indian market is that it is resilient. No matter what bad news we are getting, it is not going on the downside. That is very, very this thing. That is what surprises me. Even now, 16,300 is having highest open interest. Wow. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is having around aggressive calls are puts are being returned from 35,500 all the way to 35,000. So many puts are being returned, and only 35,500 is just had to hold. This is the data is very much confusing, I think. I think Bank Nifty is going to lift the market sentiment, or is it put buyers are writing so many puts in Bank Nifty? We'll see. We'll see. CMA Balaganeshan. Sarji Kalasaji, how are you doing? Long time no see. Bigs going up with every up move. Something is wrong. Yeah, that is why I haven't done anything about my position. I have a range of 16,000 to 16,500. Still, I'm holding my position. I'm sure there is going to be some issue. Hi Umar, how are you? Bala Ganesan. Yes, good G. There is a strong resistance at 16,324. Yes, I also feel the same. Pradeep is saying hi. Hi Pradeep, how are you? Sudhir Babu. Recently, when gap down, I think market can fall more, but markets is going up. When gap up again, I think market can fall because of resistance level. But again, upside for last 3 days, very difficult. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Why you are waiting for 12:30, Sudhir? There should be specific reason, no? Hmm? Nama? Which direction, quick option analysis, which direction index will move? Now, as of now, it is moving on the upside, but I think second half there will be downside because we are just waiting for Europe to open, and open interest chart is showing so much of put writing. Whether these puts are being written or what, we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And weekly option, but what is that? This open interest data and this price action is not matching. So only Bank of Baroda is performing when it comes to Bank Nifty chart. Most of the thing is not performing. So we are waiting. We are waiting for second part of today's trading session, or let the Europe open. We'll come to know what is going to happen. Now, if you are interested, if you are